Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet Form Fields. Getting started. When it comes to planning a meeting, it is important that you have the necessary details to ensure that the meeting is successful. With Appointlet, you can easily create forms that will allow you to collect important information from your customers. One of the most useful features of Appointlet is the form fields, which allow you to collect various details about your customers. These include their phone number, address, and other important information. To create a field that will allow you to collect this information, go to the Form Fields section and click the Create button. Note, our best practice recommendation for collecting phone numbers is to utilize a text field. You can further restrict the field to be shown only when a customer books specific meeting types. You already have customer information that you want to include with your bookings, so you don't need to ask for a new form to collect it. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes, and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.